welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and today I'm craving something light that has a ton of flavor. Something that's super fun to eat. Something like these peanut tofu lettuce wraps. Let's dive in. Take a large head of butter lettuce and begin taking off the leaves as close to the base as possible. Give them a good wash, and like that, our wraps are ready for some filling. Grab a medium-sized bowl and add in 4 ounces of rice sticks. It's about half of the package of the brand that I bought. Heat up some water and pour it over the noodles. Let those soak for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to whip up a spicy peanut sauce. So grab a bowl and add in peanut butter and sriracha. We're also going to add in some soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and sugar. Whisk that all together until it's thoroughly mixed. Going back to our rice sticks, drain the water and take out a pair of scissors. Cut the long noodles into pieces that are about 1 inch long. Now I'm never one for chopping noodles, but if they're too long, it'll be a pain to fit them in this wrap. Now slice up a block of tofu into small pieces. Get out a large nonstick pan and start heating up some sesame oil. Add in the tofu and start sauteing it on medium-high until it's nice and golden brown. It should take around 10 minutes. Pour in half of the peanut sauce and begin coating all of the tofu with it. Keep it on the heat for another 2 to 3 minutes so that peanut sauce begins to form little crunchy bits. These are going to make some amazing texture for the dish. Now add in the rice sticks along with the rest of our peanut sauce. Give it all a good mix and once again make sure everything gets saucy. Now take some of the mix, add it to our lettuce leaf like it's a taco, sprinkle on some ground peanuts, and let's plate this dish. They're like little tiny Asian salad tacos. I love these. This dish has such an amazing texture to it, with the nice crisp lettuce all wrapped around our amazing savory filling. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite recipes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Nami!